Hi, my name is Steve Nora. Today I'm going to talk about how you can pull exact real estate comps, comparables, or comparable market analysis. This is very important. If you buy one property, if you are thinking to buy one property, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to calculate after repair value. Especially if you're trying to buy property for fix and flipping deals, you cannot make a mistake in calculate after repair value. This is a starting point. If you make a mistake in calculating exact after repair value, for example, you over-evaluated, maybe you're gonna pay more. If you under-evaluate property, you lose money when you close a deal. That's why you have to make exact comps. You have to find out exact after repair value, especially for fix and flipping deals. Even you buy and hold properties, you have to know exact after repair value. First of all, I'm going to tell you exactly how you're going to find the comps. There are certain criteria you have to be aware of. We are not appraisers, but we have to see the property from the appraiser's perspective. How appraiser evaluate those properties. This is very important. I'm going to mention several important points. This is not everything, but this is the key factors appraisers are considered to evaluate the properties. First, condition or quality of the properties. If you buy property and fixing up and sell, or if you rehab the house, if you completely build up new house, after repair value should be compared with the similar quality or similar condition of properties. If you do buy and completely demolish and rehab the house, you have to choose newly rehabbed properties. Also, if you buy and then do some cosmetic work, you just upgrade kitchen, bathroom, or you're gonna sand and finish the floor, you're gonna paint entire house and sell. These are very cosmetic work. If you do this kind of fix and flipping deals, you have to compare with the similar type of fix and flipping deals. Or well-maintained house. Okay, owner is living there, owner keep the property very nice and clean. Maybe they do some kind of cleanup or painting, but it's almost original conditions. This is called well-maintained house. If you sell this house, you have to compare with the same type of well-maintained house. Or if you buy distressed properties, of course you're going to compare with the distressed properties. First, you have to choose similar quality, similar condition of the properties to evaluate your property. Second, area. Area is very important. Some people say area when we consider about the value. We have to choose the same area, not just the same zip code. If zip code is too big. Usually you're gonna choose maybe 1 mile radius. But also within this area, you have to choose very carefully, okay, from where you're gonna choose comps. If there's a very big busy street, okay, then west side, east side, or north side, south side, if that area is divided by that kind of big street, you have to choose in the same side, okay, same side of the neighborhood. Or there's a railroad, okay, and then opposite side of the railroad and this side of the railroad, maybe the value of the area is different. Therefore, you have to be carefully check the value, the difference of the value, that you have to choose the same area. Number 3, type of the deal. Okay, if you buy properties and fixing up and sell through the market as a regular sales, you're going to choose a similar type of the rehab the house. Okay, fix and flipping deals. Also, there's a REOs, there's a short sale, there's a auctions. Okay, there's such a deals on the MLS, or there are such a deals on the real estate website. Okay, you're going to choose similar house. Okay, especially in this kind of comparables are necessary when you buy and fixing up and sell. Okay, when you buy and fixing up and rent out. Therefore, usually you're going to choose the same type of regular sale. Fourth, style of the property type. If you buy a bungalow, you're going to choose the same style of the bungalow, or Cape Cod to Cape Cod, okay, and then ranch to ranch, raised ranch to raised ranch. Okay, 2-story house or Georgian, you're going to choose the same style of the house to compare the value. Number 5, the features. This is also very important, especially the number of the bathroom, number of the bedrooms are very important. You're going to choose not only same style, same property type, but also you have to choose the same number of the bathroom and bedroom and bathrooms. Okay. Also, if there's a basement or not, if there's a garage or not, if the exterior is brick or frame, you have to choose same feature of the properties when you choose the comps. Also, the amenities, if there's a pool, there's a big deck outside, okay, those are also important. Okay, sometimes the property is facing a nice park or a nice lake view. You have to choose the property has the same view. And then size of the properties. Building size and lot size, especially building size is important. Okay, if your property is 1,500 square footage, you're going to choose similar size of the house. If you choose properties to compare to find out the value of the property, you have to choose a similar style, similar features, similar size, also similar age. Okay, when this property was built. If your subject property is built 1955, okay, you're going to choose similar age of the properties. Then people ask, if there's a differences, how are you going to deal with those differences? Well, this is a very important factor. We are not appraisers. We don't need to talk about details right now. But for example, if your property is 3 bedroom and 1 bath, but those comparable are 4 bath and 2 bath, then of course those 4 bedroom 2 bath maybe has a higher price. You have to adjust those numbers. Also size, if your property 1,500, another property 1,400, maybe then this 1,400 square footage house was sold for 200. Maybe your house may be higher than 200. You're going to adjust the price. Therefore, those adjustment is necessary in many cases. If you look at that one block, next block, north side, west side, south side, east side, if you look at the block, all houses are cookie cutter type, same houses. Very easy. For example, building size and lot size. Let's say your subject property has 1,500 square footage. One property has 1,600 square footage and sold for $210,000. Then another property has 1,400 square footage and sold for $190,000. Means 200 square footage difference, and the price difference is $20,000. Then $20,000 divided by 200 square footage, and you can find out how much is per square footage, and you can adjust the price. We have to understand how appraisers are looking at the property, how appraisers are evaluating the property. Basically, based on this kind of fact, we're going to find out how much the exact value of your subject property. This is how you're going to find exact comps for your property. Please click like and subscribe this YouTube channel. Also, please check the Facebook page and also web page. Also, if you have any questions, comment, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you very much.